Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach you chapter 3, input and output devices. What is input and output devices? To solve a given task, computer need to interact with user. Computer require data and instruction to be provided by user. On the other hand, user also require result from a computer. When data and instruction are given to computer, it is considered as input, and when computer provide results, it known as output. The device that allows such input and output are known as input-output devices. Input device. Input devices. An input is a device that provide input to computer. Input devices are keyboard and mouse. We commonly use keyboard and mouse. Here the list of input devices used with computer: keyboard, point and draw device, scanning device, electronic card based device, speech recognition devices, and vision based devices. First, keyboard, most popular and commonly used input device. Keyboard, most popular device. Keyboard generally has more than 100 key. A keyboard generally contain key as follow. First is the English alphabet A to Z. When we press caps lock key, we can write down capital A to Z also. Digits 0 to 9 and combination of 0 to 9. Mathematical operator. Function key F1 to F12. Enter key, space bar key, backspace key, delete key, shift, caps lock, control key, alter, and escape key. All key we use in different function. Here is a picture of keyboard and here is a hands. We must type with two hands, and which finger use in which digit here you can see in this figure. Point and draw device. Point and draw device means mouse. Instead of typing directly, some item can be inserted from computer screen like pictures and all thing. You can be done using point and draw devices such as a mouse. No need to type, you just insert on your screen. Mouse is a small device used to point particular place on the screen and select in order to perform one or more action. Used to select menu commands, resize window, selecting actions from screen icon, etc. Here is some function of mouse. You can resize window, you can open menu. Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on its top. Typical action are as follow. Mouse, some actions of mouse. Generally we click with left button. Right click, left button used to select item. Right button usually used to display set of command and available option. Double click used to start a program or open a file or a trigger an action. When you click double click on some icon on desktop, you can open the program. Drag and drop. It allows you to select and move an item from one location to another. And with the help of drag and drop, you can move your picture on a screen also. Joystick. What is joystick? Joy means happiness. So with the help of joystick, we can play the game, our favorite game. Joystick is a vertical stick which move to graphic cursor on a direction of the stick when the stick is moved. Use with video games, training simulator and controlling robots. Joystick is used. Here is a old joystick. With the help of these we play video game, and there is a updated joystick. Next is a scanning device. The image scanner is just like copier machine, Xerox machine, on which document need to be placed and photo of a document need to be placed, and you can store in a computer memory in digital form. Document is now converted into electronic image. With the help of scanner, you can convert your hard copy of picture or a hard copy of your page in digital form. Nowadays we use a mobile app for scanning your picture as well as your document. Just now we discuss about Scam Scanner. What is Scam Scanner? Is a Chinese app for scanning your document, just banned in India. So with the help of scanning device or a scanning application, you can scan and copy your pictures. Next is a handheld scanner. Handheld scanner mostly used in big stores and malls, shopping malls. You can see here a barcode. With the help of scanner, you can read the barcode and input in your computer what is your item number and what is its price. Barcode is made up of parallel string of a different thickness. There is a standard coding system called Universal Product Code, UPC. Scanner read this barcode printed in UPC format and convert into appropriate values. Okay, some scanner have facility to recognize character, that is a character scanner. Later we discuss about the character scanner. Thank you.